Back to work.
Safe build stuff.
And I guess I'm assembling and installing the idlers. I need some 3D printed parts. Pulled a bunch out, not sure exactly which ones are which. That one goes on that side. Am I missing one here? No, aha. They're different. A and B side are different heights, because the belts are at different heights. This guy's gonna go on there. That needs some washers. Well, I'll just dump them all out, why not? Need some bearings. And I need the top part, which I'm guessing is this. And a couple of M35s. Pre-installed nut in the frame. Screw through there. Washer. Bearing. Washer. Goes through there. Always tricky to get those to line up, but there we go. I think I got it. And then this one into the corner of the frame. Pretty simple assembly, and then I want to make sure that those bearings are still, rotating. Kind of want to regularly reference the CAD drawing along with the assembly manual, just to kind of make sure that just for a sanity check. Idlers assembled and installed. Extruder mount, dual drive extruder. Don't know much about it other than this is the one they told me to buy. Oh, look at that. Gears. Looks like a pretty nice piece of kit, as the Brits would say. What orientation? That I'm not sure. Stepper motor's got to go there. And this, Okay, well, clearly the extruder that I have is not really matching what I'm seeing in either the CAD drawing or the instructions. So I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do with that. It was at this point that I reached out to the excellent Voron community. I made a quick post in their Discord server and got an instant reply. Turns out you are intended to remove the components from this extruder and use them in assembling the pocket watch extruder. Okay, now we get some fun parts here. Get to the gantry. That guy, a whole bunch of nuts. Don't need that. Instructions say nut side down. So rather than flipping this over and letting all the nuts slip out, I'll flip the rail over. I eyeball it right in the center. I'll take it. Okay, using the rail guides to make sure that's aligned while I snug these down. Then we go printed spacer Oh, I need a different washer too. I get one of these washers. Okay, now I need even smaller washers, which I have. Okay, printed spacer, big washer, little washer. Then the toothed idler pulley with bearing. I guess, yeah, it's got a bearing in there. Small washer. Yes. So that goes like that. That's gonna be tricky. I'll just leave it there for now. That's gonna screw down to there. So now I'm noticing these bearings rotate nicely. This guy does not at all. And I don't know if it's supposed to. Maybe it's not supposed to, but why would I have bearings if it's not supposed to rotate? I mean, I gotta loosen it like way up, and it still is awful bindy. Well, not quite sure how that works yet, so we'll just leave it for now. Put the other side together and see how that goes. Spacer. Yeah, I'm finding this one binds up too. Maybe once it's all installed on the rail, it'll space it out and then it'll allow it to spin freely. When you haven't assembled something like this, it's kind of hard to, imagine or understand where how all the components play out together. Okay, just the gantry in there. Ooh, that's gonna be cool. God, these are some nicely designed parts. The dev team that's worked on this, you guys doing good work, man. Okay, that's gonna sit in there. Oh man, oh mamma mia. So smooth. I can just imagine this thing just spinning really fast. I'm gonna leave all of these screws a little loose because some space adjustment seems like it'll be necessary. Now I get to mount it. Hooray. These bolts, so these gantry blocks, you want loose for some side-to-side adjustment. Might be easier with the bed lower. That side's installed. Bada bang. Woo! That is smooth. Always very satisfying when you get that first assembly of a mechanical assembly together and you kind of see it moving for the first time. Now I gotta tighten up all these. All right. So now I can take care of that as well.